Hey everybody, it is Cody again from Lazy Goblins to continue our rollerball with Bolt Unity tutorial. So in this video we're just going to set up the area for the game. We're going to set up the ground and the player. So for the ground we're going to go up to, there's a couple ways you can do this. I like to either use this create menu, go to create 3D cube, or you could right click 3D object cube as well. So either way is just fine. Click that, go up here, hit the reset, just make sure it's zeroed out on the transform. And then this doesn't really help us right here, right? This isn't much of a ground. So what you're gonna wanna do is we're gonna wanna scale this. So you hit R, which is a shortcut to get the scaling tool, and this scales it, you know, what is that, vertically? Yeah, vertically. And the red one scales it horizontally, as well as the blue one. But what these represent is the green is the y-axis, the red is the x-axis, and Z is the blue axis. And those, you can see those over here as well. So we're just gonna scale this to how we want. What I like to do sometimes is just come over here, hit this Y green widget right here, and get into the top perspective. And I like to just kind of do this with my levels. Makes it a bit easier than doing it in 3D view. And then we're going to go to create 3D object, and our player is going to be a ball, so we're going to create a sphere. You can hit F to focus in on that, hit W to bring up the moving widgets, same thing as a scale. This one moves it up and down, and so on and so forth, with the X and Z axis is moving it horizontally, and the Y moving it up and down. And you're just going to want to move it just a little bit above the ground right there. And this kind of doesn't look really good in the game view, so you could go up here, you could move the camera up a bit, and then we're going to learn about the rotation. You hit the E key to bring up the rotation. Just rotate that a bit, just however you like. Make it look good. Alright, so we got that now. And now this is kind of weird, right? We got white on white, which isn't really good. So we're going to go to our project folder. We're going to right click. We're going to go to create a folder for our materials. And then we're going to right click, go to create material. We're going to call this ground. And what we're going to do is we're going to take that ground, drag it onto the ground object we have in the scene, let go, and then come up here to albedo, basically just changing the color. You could change it to whatever you want. I'm just going to change it to a greenish. You can even open up the game view and kind of mess around with whatever color you want. Do quite a bit with that. So I'm going to keep mine green, and I'm going to keep my ball this white color. Looks pretty good on it. Alright, that's pretty much it for setting up the playfield. We're going to actually go over here, keep things a bit organized. Rename the cube to ground. Rename the sphere to player. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. In the next video, we're actually going to get the player moving with Bolt. I know it's been a couple videos and you're like, what the heck? We haven't even used Bolt yet. This is so boring. But this takes time. You gotta kind of go through every step in order to get to the fun part, which is actually making things move and come alive. So that's what we will do in the next video. I will see you there. And yeah, I need to work on my outros. I gotta work on them. I'll come up with something next time, hopefully. Maybe. Anyways, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!